You guys, I am super duper hungry. Who knows where I'm at? Put it in the comments. I'm not gonna tell you. I'm gonna make you look it up or watch the video. I'm super duper hungry. I was gonna get to Mill Valley and get a super duper burger. Thank you. I appreciate you. So yeah, I was gonna super duper, but I decided to stop. Oh, they have them. Yay! My favorite. My second favorite, Marlboro Lights. My first would be in menthol Newport. I want steak and cheese taquitos. They have 4. We're getting all 4. Let's do it. I love it. Oh, sorry.
Oh, go ahead.
Okay. I just want the taquitos. Hang on, good. The 4? Yes. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. I appreciate it. Now it's gonna be a tap or a swipe. Done. Sweet.
Hi, good. How are you doing?
We got it. We got it. Hell yeah. Oh, I'm going. I'll get a drink actually. Actually, never mind. We're not gonna drink. We'll come back.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a lovely day. Thank you. I'm a fucking animal. You are too. So go fucking act like it, you guys. Yeah, oh. I'll show you. You guys put in the comments. You guys tell us where we're at. You guys know. Some of you guys know what's that. And the rest of you, that's why we use Airbnb. I use it for my social filter. So that way, I don't have to put up with nightmare people. I started doing Airbnb because I had no one to talk to 2 years after my husband died. And so I started talking to you guys. And now look at us. We've done this all the way to Mexico solo. You were there. You guys came with me. So thank you for being my only fans and my only therapist. If you come with me, I am disabled. We get the best parking. Thank you to all the doctors who made the living operating on me, which they never should have done. Long story, we're going to keep talking about the doctors and lawyers, and we're going to make fun of them all. Because we're busy. Bitch. Fucking busy. So busy, I gotta get home and upload your content.